Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the TechStream. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install the latest GCam 8.4 for the Oneplus 9 series devices. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So as you can see, I am currently on my Oneplus 9 Pro running the latest build of Oxygen OS 12.1, and I am going to show you how you can install the best GCam and how you can use it. I have installed the GCam 8.4 LMC version. Let me just show you all the modes that are working properly. The main camera is working fine, the ultra wide is working fine, the telephoto lens is also working fine, the front cam is also working without any issues, the portrait mode is also working fine, and at last the video mode is also working, but only till 1080p 30 fps. Now let's talk about how to install this GCam. To install this version, you need to download the APK file and the config file linked in the description below. I have already selected the best config file for you guys. Once the files are downloaded, install the LMC 8.4 GCam APK file. Now go to your file manager and make a new folder by the name of LMC 8.4 in your internal storage. Make sure the name of the folder is exactly the same. Now copy the XML file that we downloaded earlier in the LMC 8.4 folder. And the last step is to open GCam. Click on the empty black area near the shutter button and select the config file and click import. And that's it. LMC 8.4 GCam with archives XML has been installed on your Oneplus 9 Pro. In my opinion, this is the best GCam and config file that you can get on Oneplus 9 Pro. Here are a few sample shots from this GCam, and this GCam really enhance the picture quality of your device. The portrait and night side shots are just amazing. Comment down if you want a full Oxygen OS cam or GCam video on Oneplus 9 Pro. Comment down if you want the best GCam and config file for the Oneplus 8 series devices. That's all for this video. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.